You shall!
Okay, class. Today, we will be potato. 'Cause we almost reached the randomness anniversary, so this was remastered. Now take out your potato worksheet and start working right now, or I will you share you like this.
Man, I don't want to be in this school. It's boring. What should I do? I know. I will pull the fire alarm. This is the greatest idea ever. Ha 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 ha. Hey Giga, may I use the bathroom?
Sure, but be back right now, or I will use the toilet to clog it.
Okay. Now it is my chance. It is time to pull the fire alert. 'Cause I think a randomness anniversary is sooner. Now let's get out of here.
Hey, what is going on?
It must have been a fire drill. Everyone, line up in the door please. Single file, then exit through the hallways, and then line up at the playing field. Scratch cat.
Here.
Scratey.
Meow.
TT.
Here.
Gobo.
Here.
Gobi.
Here.
Nano.
Here.
Okay, now we have to wait until Tara tells us we can go back inside. Attention staff and students, that was just a free false alarm. Some Joey healer's done it before. I am now looking for the person who did it. In the meantime, you may return back to the building while I look for imposter from among us. Otherwise, school board is on the time. Good job everyone. You guys took the situation very seriously. You didn't talk, you didn't fool around, and you stayed in line. Good job. But does anyone know who is responsible for pulling the fire alarm?
I think I know who it was. It was my evil clone, Evil Nano Nanderson. He was the only one in the hallway before the alarm started to sound.
What? Oh my god. Thanks for telling me, Nano Nanderson. I'm going to tell Tara about this. Oh, hello Giga. What can I do for you? Tara, I have found the culprit of the person who pulled the fire alarm. It was Evil Nano Nanderson. What? Oh my god. Thanks for telling me, Giga. He is going to be in deep trouble. I'm going to bring him into my office right now. Evil Nano Nanderson, report to the principal's office right now immediately.
What is it this time? Is there something wrong?
Evil Nano Nanderson, take a seat. So, Evil Nano, I just heard that you were the one who pulled the fire alarm. Is that true? Tell me the truth right now, or else you will see what happens if you don't tell me.
Yes, I did. I pulled the fire alarm, because I don't want to be in school. Now give me potatoes.
What? Oh my god. Evil Nano Nanderson, I cannot believe you pulled the fire alarm. That's IT. I'm calling your parents to come over here, you parasite. Hello Joey healers. Please come over here so that I can discuss punishments. Okay. Thank you. Goodbye. Your parents are coming any second. Oh, and I think your parents are here right now. So, Evil Nano Nanderson's parents, your son Evil Nano pulled the fire alarm at school today. This will have some big consequences. Your son is going to be suspended from this school for 2 months. And not to mention, but both of you will have to pay a $1 million fine. I'm sorry, but that is the state of law. If he was older, then he could have went to jail. Pulling the fire alarm when there is no fire is very offensive, both of you, and it is against the school code. But anyways, you three are good to go now. Before I will cut ties with Joey, next. Come on Evil Nano.
We have to go home right now 'cause you're so Joey healer trouble double.
Oi 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 oi. My evil clone. How dare you pull the fire alarm at school?
You are very lucky that you are not in jail. That's it.
You are so crunchy, crunchy, fat, 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 burp, burp, fart, fart, fired, 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 counted, 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 poopy, 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 Joey, Joey.
Go to the randomness world right now. Burp 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 burp. Please, don't be another Asian rabbit tricks again.
You shall!
GRR tricks rabbit, get out of the house, you creature cereal.
You shall!
So what I miss?
What?